Everybody, welcome back to my channel, Texas Decor and More. I'm glad you're here. I'm glad you stopped by, and let's just get right into this cleaning video. Laundry in the dryer, laundry in the washer, laundry that needs to be folded on top of the dryer. More laundry over there in the corner that needs to be done. This bleach bottle right here needs to be picked up. This couch right here is a brand new couch, and it's not staying here. It's actually going to go up against this wall, and I will be filming that in this video. And this is also a brand new recliner that I got for my birthday. It has a massage and heating element in it, so I'm going to be moving that around as well. Yeah, the house is just kind of like a complete disaster zone, wreck. This got knocked over. This is some of my fall stuff. A little bit of my fall decor. I'll do a fall tour, but I'm not gonna do it while my house is a complete wreck. So, yeah, look. Water bottle down here. Water bottle. Clorox wipes in the windowsill. I can't have that. I'll show you on my room. I'm washing the sheets on my bed, actually. So yeah, I'm washing the sheets on my bed. This is a new fall rug that I got. It's actually going to be going into the kitchen. I just rolled it out. Let me shut this door. So also my kitchen needs to be cleaned as well. I'm sorry I have not been uploading a lot of videos here lately, but I've been working. I've also been doing interviews while I've been working, and I got my mop ready to mop. Those dishes need to be put up, and shoot, y'all can't see. It's a rainy day, so I need to put trash in the trash can and get this is just a bag of trash, but I need to put a liner in there as well. I need to sweep and mop in here, so just like a lot of things. So we're just gonna get on with this video. I hope y'all enjoy, and thanks for watching. Okay, I wanted to show y'all how the living room looks now. When you walk in here, basically I just changed the wall where the couch was and changed the recliner and shifted it to the right side of the room, and I moved some end tables around, and this is going to be kind of my like fall refresh to the house. There's the recliner. I set this table next to the recliner. Here's a few of my fall items that I have. I went with a neutral fall colors in the living room, simply because I have a lot of grays and browns in here, so I didn't want to put the bright oranges up. So I have this end table sitting next to the recliner, and then back behind there it says Hello Autumn with 2 little pumpkins, and then I have my wreath behind that. And then, like I said, I moved my couch so it sits here with my rug. And now I added an end table over here. I don't particularly like it right there. That's not where I want it, but this living room is a rectangle shape, so it's very, very hard to maneuver furniture in here. And I can't really put it up against this wall, any of my furniture, because we have a back door right here in our living room, which just, I don't know, kind of drives me crazy. So, yeah. Moved the end table over here with the lamp, and it's not going to stay this way. This end table here and this end table here are eventually going to go in my bedroom, and I'm going to get a round end table to put in here because we are getting another recliner just like this one. It just takes time, y'all, to buy brand new furniture. This is a brand new chair. That's a brand new couch. So what else can I show y'all? I added these little wreaths right here to both sides. I added that. So I'm probably going to move those wreaths. I think I'm going to move those wreaths where this horse picture is and that horse picture is. I think those wreaths are going to go. And this is the back side of the behind my kitchen sink, and that in the dining room and the kitchen have the traditional fall colors. So yeah. Oh, and Happy Harvest, I added that to my wall in here. And then this one just says Welcome Fall. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all what I did and give y'all a little update, fall refresh to the living room.